Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a fall inspired makeup look. I only used two eyeshadows for this eye look, which was kind of shocking to me because the eyeshadows just blended so nicely together that it kind of looks like I used a lot of eyeshadows, but I only used two of them. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. Today I'm gonna use the eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. In today's video, I'm actually gonna use their eyeshadow palette as well, so I just wanted to use it in combination with the primer just to see how it's gonna work together. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna take this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina. This is the volume number 3 palette. I think this palette looks absolutely incredible. I think this is my favorite palettes from the volume palettes. And I'm gonna start with this orangey color. I'm gonna blend it all over in the crease, and I'm just gonna make sure that this shade is like basically everywhere, from the inner corner to the outer corner, and also at the outer V area. Now what I do want to mention is that the eyeshadow primer that I used, I did not set the primer with any powder. So I applied the primer and I went straight in with the eyeshadow. Normally I apply a little bit of translucent powder or a skin color eyeshadow all over the primer, but today I didn't do that because I've seen a lot of people doing it this way. And I just wanted to see if this would make the eyeshadow even more pigmented, and it just blended really nicely. And now I went in with this yellow color, pressing it on the eyelids. I wanted to create a sort of ombre sunset kind of inspired look where I used yellow on the eyelids, orange in the crease, and I just wanted these shades to really blend into each other. So after pressing the shade on the eyelid, I also blended it softly into the crease. This makes the yellow and the orange eyeshadow look really nice together. Then now for my eyeliner, I'm gonna take this eyeliner from INGLOT. This is their black gel eyeliner. And to apply this, I'm taking my winged liner brush from Sigma Beauty. This is a really nice brush to apply your eyeliner, and I'm just creating a simple line above the lash line. And then also I'm going for a winged liner. If you have hooded eyes or you don't really like going for a winged liner, you don't have to do this. You can skip this part. You can just leave it like it was, or you can just do the simple line above the lash line. You can give your own twist to it. You don't have to follow each step that I'm doing. But I felt like I haven't done a winged liner look in a while, so I wanted to do that for today. Then over it, I'm going in with this liquid liner from Anastasia, which is super black, and I really like to layer my eyeliners with different textures. I feel like this makes it extra black. It just makes it more stand out, which I really like. And then now I'm going in with the Benefit Boiing concealer, and I'm going to use that to clean up the eyeshadow underneath the winged liner, because I want the winged liner to look really sharp, really clean, and you can see a little bit of eyeshadow right underneath there. So I'm just gonna clean that up by wiping the concealer straight underneath the winged liner. This is gonna make it look more sharp, more clean, which I really like. So if you made a mistake with your eyeliner, this is the time to kind of fix that and make it look better. Now I'm also going to apply a little bit underneath the eye area because we're going now in with some eyeshadow. But first I'm taking this cream gel eyeliner. I don't know how to say it, cream or creme. This is by Colourpop, and I'm going to use that for in the waterline. You can do like a black pencil in the waterline or a nude pencil if you find this to be a little bit too bright or out of your comfort zone. But I wanted to do a little bit crazy today. Then now I'm going back in with the orange shade, which I also used for in the crease earlier. And I'm going to blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. Also softly applying it on top of the waterline to kind of set the pencil that I used for in the waterline to kind of lock that in place. And I'm just gonna keep smudging back and forth. The brush that I'm using right now is a Morphe M506, which is a really nice brush. This last night I actually dreamed that my house was on fire and I lost all my makeup brushes, which was kind of a nightmare. I was so sad. Now I'm going in with the E4 eyeshadow again, the yellow that I used for on the eyelids. And I'm gonna blend that underneath the lower lash line as well, just so you get like the same color undertone as we have in the crease to also be underneath the lower lash line. So kind of blending the orange and the yellow together again. And I just feel like the gradient of the two eyeshadows I used on the eyelids look so good together. They were so easy to blend. I feel like it looks like I used at least 3 kind of eyeshadows, but I only used 2 eyeshadows. I don't know, I'm just so impressed by the quality of the Norvina palettes. I think they're really good. Then now for my mascara, I'm going in with the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm going to use this for the upper lashes and the lower lashes. I am going in with fake eyelashes as always, but I always go in with mascara first. Let me know in the comments if you apply your mascara after applying lashes or before applying lashes. I'm really curious to know. I always do it before because I feel like if I would do it after applying lashes, the mascara will also touch the fake eyelashes, which I think is gonna make them look a little bit more messy and dirty. So for my lashes today, I'm gonna use my Anychude Sassy lashes, which are one of the most dramatic ones. I have a special discount code, which is Anne. This will give you 20% discount on my lashes. So if you want to get them, I have the link in the description bar. So I'm using them using my hand, and this is actually really weird. For my left eye I use my hands to apply it, and for my right eye I use a tweezer. I don't know why, it's really weird. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. I feel like it looks so complicated, but you have seen it. I only use 2 eyeshadows and I just really like how it blends. I would definitely recommend the Norvina palettes. I think they're really good quality. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be